Presenting MISK electric breast pump comes with 180 ml milk collector cup and accessories, breast pump motor of 1500 mAh battery, C-type cable, brass strip, additional flange of 21 mm, extra valve, instruction manual, and 3 milk storage bags. First, take the linker and attach valve to it. Then take the diaphragm and attach to linker. Then take the milk cup and attach linker into it. Fix the linker properly to milk cup and then take 24 mm flange shield and attach to the milk collector cup. Then attach the motor to product. It is very simple to attach. Assemble the motor. Then long press the power button to switch the motor on. Press the M button to switch between the modes. Press plus button to increase the suction levels. And press the minus button to decrease the suction levels. The highest level of the suction of this product is 9. And here you can see the diaphragm is going up and down on the suction power of the motor. This product is currently running at massage mode, first mode. See, the diaphragm is going up and the suction power you can see. Long press the power button to switch it off. If your areola is less than 24 mm, then you have to attach the additional flange, that is 21 mm. You have to attach it here. We wish all mothers a happy breastfeeding.